Hello students, this is a demonstration on how to upload a file. So this is the assignment, this is the title of the assignment, here's the due date, here's the points that it's worth, and here's how the teacher is expecting you to submit it. So this says you need to upload a file, meaning you've created it in your drive or it's saved somewhere on your computer and you're going to pull it into this assignment bucket. So here would be the sample of the text or whatever that it's asking you to do. When you're ready, you go ahead and click submit. Now notice it didn't do anything. It actually did. You have to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and then you go ahead and choose wherever your file is. Now you can also just click choose file and find something there, click open, and there it is. There's the file I want to submit. If you want to put comments in, you certainly can. And then when you're ready to go, you just click submit. Now, once it does that, you get this nice little screen. If you need to go back and redo it, you can resubmit it again the same way. Hope this helps you. See ya.